Hi, I'm Gray with Baratza. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up your new Vario Plus, a grinder built to deliver delicious syrupy coffee again and again. The Vario Plus features a built-in timer with 3 programmable presets, 54mm flat ceramic burrs, a shutoff hopper, and a high-precision micro-grind adjustment. Pop the lid, lift off the top half of the inner box, and inside you'll find all of the components neatly packed. First up, the Quick Start Guide. Keep this close for reference as we'll walk through the steps together here. Your Quick Start Guide may look a little different than the one we have here, but rest assured that the one you have is made for the grinder you are unboxing, and we'll cover all the important bits later. Inside, you'll find all the components neatly packed. And here's the cool part. Baratza's packaging is made with 100% recyclable and compostable materials. So after unboxing, just toss the compostable bags into your commercial compost bin. Better coffee, smaller footprint. Inside the grounds bin, you'll find the calibration tool for recalibrating the burrs. And the burr removal tool is packaged neatly in the cardboard. Before using, give the other removable parts a hand wash, the hopper, lid, and grounds bin with warm soapy water. Rinse and dry completely before first use. Now let's get it set up. To install the hopper, position the shutoff knob towards the back of the grinder as we have here. Press into place and rotate clockwise until it stops. When you want beans to flow into the grinder, make sure the shutoff knob is in the open position. If you want to remove it for cleaning without grinding through all your coffee, just flip it to closed. Place the grounds bin in the grinder if you are planning to grind a large batch. For espresso, insert the portafilter holder. If your portafilter is not fitting snugly, loosen the screws on the back, readjust, and tighten into place. Now let's talk grind settings. There are 2 grind adjustments here, the macro adjustment on the right and the micro adjustment on the left. Both of these adjustments work together to get you the perfect coffee. The fine end of the grind range is at the top and the coarse end is at the bottom. Let's start with both levers in the middle. We recommend setting the macro adjustment first. This runs from 1 to 10. 1 is around the size for espresso, and 10 is in the neighborhood of cold brew. This lever makes significant changes to the grind size when moved. The micro adjustment, which goes from A to V, is for fine-tuning your grind once you are close to your perfect grind size with the macro adjustment. It makes very small changes to the grind size with each click. You can find the suggested grind range for each of these brew methods, important safety information, and more in the Quick Start Guide. Now let's talk grinding. There are 3 preset times saved to buttons 1, 2, and 3. Make your selection and press the Start-Stop button to grind until the timer hits 0. If these presets don't work for you, change the time with the up and down buttons. You can grind straight from there or save to a preset by pressing and holding the one you want to overwrite. If you would rather not grind by time, press the manual mode button. Now the grinder will grind continuously after the start button is pressed with the timer counting up. Press it again to pause. To return to timer mode, press one of the presets. Now let's make some espresso. I've weighed out 18 grams and set the grinder to 2Q. Now I'll pour in the beans and hit the manual button, then the start button. That way we can see approximately how long it takes so we can later set the timer and grind with a full hopper. You will need to set the timer a couple seconds shorter as it will grind faster with a full hopper. Tamp and brew. Note that even though we are using 2Q with this grinder, this coffee, and this espresso machine, it can be quite different for you depending on your setup. If your shot comes out way faster than ours, you need to go finer to a smaller number. If the shot is much slower or not dripping at all, you need to go coarser to a larger number. Sugary, dark chocolatey, that's nice. At Baratza, we're not just about grinders, we're about helping you brew better coffee every day. That's why we design products that last and back everything with world-class customer support and product service. Got questions? Hit us up at baratza.com/support. We're real people who love talking coffee. Be sure to subscribe for more brew guides, recipes, and tips.